Good morning, children. Welcome back to our virtual session of geography. Previous class, we studied about the comparison between Brazil and India in terms of economy and occupation. We studied about various industries in Brazil. We studied about industries in India, agro-based industries. We studied about various other industries which have been flourished in India. And so also employment generation was there. We also studied about fishing in India, various major industries of Brazil itself. And we also studied that which places were important, which places are important in terms of various setting up of industry, why what is the major reason that these places are important, because so many industries were set up according to availability of raw materials. So we also studied about various oil refineries, the places which is very famous for its oil refineries, various agro-based industry, which are the major agro-based industries which are flourishing in India, important in India, which materials and which products we are exporting and which are importing. So many things we studied in our previous class. Now take out your page number 58. We will see one table is given. This I was already discussing with your online classes, in your online classes, previous classes. So we will see here export, import and balance of trade, value in US dollar, India and Brazil. Two table is given, one column is given regarding year is given 2009 to 2010, 2010 to 11 up to 2013, and India and Brazil regarding exports and imports. Understood? Now we will see, based upon this table we will answer some questions. Understood? Now left side, first question is given, what is balance of trade? Already I told you about this. What is balance of trade? Balance of trade is the difference between monetary value of a nation's export and import over a certain period. Understood? So balance of trade is nothing. It is the value or monetary value of a nation's, any nation's export and import over a certain period. Understood? So this is balance of trade. Now tell the types of balance of trades. Already we know that there are three types of balance of trade, that is favorable, unfavorable and balance. That means surplus, equal balance of trade. Understood? So these are the types of balance of trade. Already we have studied in a previous class. Now third question, in which country export exceeds import in all the years? Understood? In which country export exceeds import in all the years? So naturally it is Brazil. Next question, Brazil's balance of trade belong to which type? So children, it is favorable. Surplus balance of trade. It is favorable. Last question, India's balance of trade belongs to which type? It is unfavorable or deficit balance of trade. Understood? So these answers is based upon this table. So we are supposed to observe minutely this table, and we are also supposed to observe various export and import. How much import and export is done in these two countries. So accordingly, this answer is supposed to answer. We are supposed to answer these questions. Now, use or brain power. The question or the activity which is to be done by you, we will just discuss. If Rajasthan does not have a coastal area, then how does it produce salt? You know, Rajasthan, one lake is there, Sambhar Lake. So it is the lake which produces salt. It is the only saltwater lake there which produces salt. The salt is, the water is very salty, so the water is used for producing salt. Next we will see geographical explanation. Brazil mainly exports iron ore, coffee, cocoa, cotton, sugar, tobacco, oranges and bananas, while it imports machinery, chemicals products, fertilizers, wheat, heavy vehicles, mineral oil and lubricants. Major trading partners are Germany, USA, Canada, Italy, Argentina and Saudi Arabia and India. Understood? So this is about your export and import of Brazil. Understood? So it exports mainly, we know that iron ore, because mining is best in Brazil. coffee, cocoa, cotton, sugar, tobacco. And what imports from other countries, that is machinery, chemical products, fertilizer, wheat, heavy vehicle, mineral oil and lubricants. And who are the major trading partners of Brazil? So underline these countries: Germany, USA, Canada, Italy, Argentina, Saudi Arabia and India. Trade makes up to 25% of GDP. So here one figure is given, left side 8.5. We can see the comparison made here about contribution of trade in GDP of Brazil and India. So pink color Brazil is for India and blue color for Brazil. So you can observe that in various years, comparison you can make, in various years the graph is going up for our country India. The percentage of GDP is higher in various years 2000 to 2010, but Brazil is having lower percentage of GDP compared to India. Understood? Now why this graph is not equal? Because their contribution of export import in various products. So that is the reason. The demand for which products which is there in country, which type of production was there, so that they will be able to export to other countries. So all these conditions depend upon the contribution of trade in that country. Understood?